Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Whimsy Creek Art. Thank you so much for joining me and watching. So what we have today is just a real quick napkin ring pour. So I'm putting a base of white down, and my white is mixed just like I mix all of my paint. The recipe is down below. And I have a plastic napkin ring from the Dollar Tree. I believe you get like 6 to 9 of them in a package. And you can use a plastic napkin ring. You can use a piece of PVC. You can cut a cup, the bottom of a cup off and use it. You can even use a toilet paper roll, the cardboard from a toilet paper roll. All right, so I'm just randomly putting some teals, some lighter dusty rose pink colors, some light tans, and then a darker brown, a burnt umber. The burnt umber is the only color that I do have silicone in. And I'm just randomly grabbing and layering till I get about, the napkin ring is like 3/4 of the way full at this point. Now, after you get the napkin ring full, you're going to go ahead and you're going to grab it and you're going to start pulling it across the canvas, just lightly feathering it up, dragging it across, letting very little paint come out through the bottom as you drag it across. You could go straight across, you could go at a diagonal. Here I'm just going to go at a kind of an abstract back and forth here, just letting a little bit of paint come out as I pull it across. And then I'm going to go ahead and lift it up and tilt it back and forth a little bit, but not too much. I'm wanting a little bit of that negative space, that white area. That's what we call negative space. I'm wanting this to be real light and having a lot of negative space. So I'm just going to tilt it to spread it out a little bit, but not too much. And I'm going to go ahead and give it a little bit of a torch, but not too many more cells are going to pop up, just mainly popping a few bubbles that I saw. All right, so I have about 18 to 24 inches of aquarium tubing, and I use that to blow out the edges to give it kind of somewhat of a more organic look to the edges. So you just take your aquarium tubing and you blow through one end and you kind of just feather it back and forth. Now you want your aquarium tubing, notice how I'm not real vertical with the canvas. I'm kind of parallel with the canvas and kind of feathering it back and forth as I lightly blow through that. And that takes a little bit of practice, but every once in a while you got to kind of stop and take a breath because you kind of do lose your breath blowing through there. But it gives it a nice wispy kind of organic shape to the edges, which looks real nice in the end here. So, all right, that is how I do my napkin ring paint pours with blown edges. And you can do these with a whole variety of colors and all different ways. So please let me know if you have any questions, or would maybe let me know if you would like to see this technique in a certain color scheme. Comment down below and let me know if you want to see this technique done in a certain color scheme. So, all right, thank you so much for watching and have a great day.